Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find the creation date of your quick notes in your account on Saner AI. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your account on Saner AI, and what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the task section on the left panel. And after that, click into that home button, of course, in the top left. And here simply select quick note. And you will see the quick access to all your notes and quick notes below. So if you'd like to check the creation date, guys, for this quick note, for example, well, it should be pretty obvious, the date here, but because I created the quick note today. But let's assume, for example, you don't know the date and your quick note has a specific title. You can check the creation date by clicking into these three dots and by selecting show info. And you will see the character and word count, the tags, the location, and also the creation date. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.